Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile crafting materials out there, White Eva Foam. Specifically, we're taking a closer look at why this particular foam from MEARCOOH stands out as the best choice for your DIY projects, cosplay costumes, and more. This White Eva Foam comes in a roll measuring 49 inches by 13.9 inches, with a thickness of 6 mm. It's crafted from high-density Eva foam, boasting an impressive 86 kgBym³ density. What does that mean for you? It's not just any foam. It's durable, easy to work with, and perfect for a wide range of creative endeavors. Whether you're into cosplay, crafting, or DIY projects, this foam is your go-to material. It's ideal for creating everything from intricate costumes to detailed props. MEARCOOH ensures top-notch quality with environmentally friendly materials. It's odorless, soft to the touch, and offers a smooth surface, making it easier to paint and customize. Unlike cheaper foams, this high-density Eva foam maintains its shape and structure over time. It's sturdy enough to withstand frequent use and offers better molding capabilities. Let's see it in action. Whether you're sculpting a new armor piece for cosplay or crafting intricate decorations, this foam handles it all. Its flexibility allows you to bend and shape it without losing durability. Plus, its uniform surface ensures a professional finish every time. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best White Eva foam for your next creative project, look no further than MEARCOOH's offering. With its premium quality, high density, and rave reviews, it's a clear winner. Click the link in the description to get yours today and unleash your creativity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and crafting tips here on Product Critique. See you next time.